Hello. Today we're talking about decluttering one step at a time. Please don't tell me that you're decluttering like 2 hours. That's way too much. Also, don't confuse decluttering with clutter stops. Clutter stops are when you walk around and pick up things that have just been laid out and will create clutter if you don't pick them up. Decluttering happens in 15-minute increments. If you're a payroll homemaker, 1 hour on Saturday. Other than that, it's 4 15-minute increments in a specific place. Right now we're in the kitchen. Please only do for 15 minutes. So set your timer, have your things ready to go before you set the timer, your giveaway box, your throwaway bag, and your put away basket, and get to work for 15 minutes only. Don't deep dive into this. Don't clean the shelves when you're through. That's a deep cleaning thing. That's going to happen later. Right now, we're just decluttering. Have a great day.